Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. The bottom line is this. The 200 simple moving average, this yellow line coming in here, has called the Bitcoin bottom on multiple cycles in the past. Now, you've got decreasing volume on increasing price, which is not amazing. The bulls have got to show up here and hold this level. You do not want to lose the weekly 200 simple moving average. Otherwise, this would be an epic bull trap and the bulls will get punished. So Bitcoin bulls need to hold this level right at about $23,000. Close the weekly on Sunday night above this level. And this could just be another bullish retest. So bullish ideas need this to happen for Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. Now, not amazing for the Bitcoin bulls. You've got this resistance right here at about 23,434. The bulls have lost this level and actually bearishly retested the level. So you really want to see the bulls flip this level for upside ideas, right? You already lost this was the first try. You already lost this level. Right, and you're yelling at the bulls, and you're like, "What are you guys doing? Like, you can't. There wasn't enough buyers right here to pump this price and hold this level. That would have been the most bullish case, right? So you have seen a break of this parabolic price rise. So very important that the bulls flip this level for upside ideas. If you see a breakdown, then you're going to look to add. So Bitcoin really likes to reverse on bullish divergence after a double bottom, where this would be a one bottom, second bottom, okay? You could also have ideas where a higher low reversal would be a bullish case. And so, a move down to 20,000. These are, it's time to think about accumulation for long-term holds, right? If you get a lower low, or this is a low and this is a lower low, not a good sign, because this next high would be potentially a lower high and then another drive lower. So we're in the area where accumulating Bitcoin comes to mind. We didn't nail the bottom of this. We bought 19,500. We started buying down here. Okay. We bought pretty close to the bottom, but not the absolute bottom. Remember, 17,600. There's that long wick reversal. If you're not into catching knives, which is what this would be, your double bottoms, triple bottoms would be good entry ideas. So most important idea here is, if the bulls can't turn things around here, then you're looking for accumulation ideas for Bitcoin, altcoins, and we're going to touch base on one of the strongest altcoins potentially, but still, Bitcoin is going to call this move. Now, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So the bullish hopium is, we've got this falling wedge. There's a 68% chance this breaks out to the upside. This is not a very big falling wedge, right? So the measured move doesn't yield a target that's substantial. However, the most important part is you can really tell a lot about the strength of a trend if you're putting in higher lows. So here's your low, a higher low, a higher low. What does this mean on a psychological level? This means that people are willing to pay a premium to accumulate Bitcoin, all right? But overall, this is a giant bear flag. Obviously, you can make the case that this is a parabolic price rise, but this has been negated based on this break of the pattern. So now, what you don't want to see for the bulls is you don't want to see this bounce here and then get rejected, because on the daily chart, this would equate to a bearish retest, and then you're looking for further downside, okay? So pay attention to what Bitcoin's doing. Very important to understand how this price action works. So measured move, can you get a higher low, would be somewhat bullish idea. You lose this lower trend line, and there's downside ideas, right? So it's make or break for Bitcoin right now. I've done some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started with $300. He's up to $3,700 in a couple weeks. On Kucoin, you can start with $150, $100, $200, $300. You will hit crazy multiples. He hit about 11 or 12x multiple on his initial investment. right? If you have small bags, you need to be on Kucoin. The link in the description. This person is debt-free. He paid off 100% of all his debt. 20 years he had debt. It's gone because of the group. This person started with $800. Now got up to $17,000 in about a month. We're hitting these bangers. You really see quick success when you start to nail these multiples and then roll them over into the next banger. This person started with $25,000. Now it's updated. He turned $25,000 into $800,000. Thank you for everything. I'm learning every day. And that's all this is. We're given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. It can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Life is not about working for the man. It's just not. Now, hitting the bangers. This is just in a day. 58%, 46%, 35%, 35%. And we nailed these as well. 283%, 133%, 60%, 28, 24, 50. You've got to be in the right coins, period. If you're in the right coins, everything changes. There's Ethereum. There is a ton of news coming for Ethereum over the next month. If this does break higher, there's entry ideas. However, on a break to the downside, you could see $1,437 Ethereum as an accumulation idea, maybe $1,600. The gift would be anything around $1,244 for Ethereum. The measured move here, about $1,500. Okay, so Ethereum has got upside based on the proof of stake merge. Everybody's talking about this coin. I think it's holding the market up right now. Ethereum altcoin goodness. You've got a month where Ethereum could see a ton of upside. But if you see some type of sell-off right before the news happens, around the 12th or 13th of next month, don't be surprised. Okay, a lot of traders take profits during the run-up, right? They're not really worried about the actual news. They're worried about locking in profits and rolling into the next trade. So again, Ethereum in a rising wedge, which 68% chance it breaks lower. Bitcoin breaks lower, this thing's going to roll over. But you're just looking for entry ideas going forward. Bitcoin dominance. This is going to help us time the move. Bitcoin moves happen when you see substantial moves out of Bitcoin dominance. It doesn't tell you the direction. But one thing that's very common is alts can take a hit on a strong bounce here. Okay, so this is running out of room. We're looking for a Bitcoin move. If we go in and we overlay, this is a blue line, is Ethereum. And you know what Ethereum does when this thing is pumping, Ethereum dumps, right? When this thing is dumping, Ethereum pumps. You had this huge downtrend. Ethereum had a 50%, actually a 50% run up for here. It's actually up, probably 60 or 65% based on this bottom. This major swings on Bitcoin dominance will help you nail the pivots on these altcoins. So be careful with altcoins if this breaks out to the upside. ES1, can this save the day? Can everything that's going on economically in the United States pull Bitcoin and crypto market higher? So we talked about this rising wedge, and if this pulls back, then you'd see a Bitcoin pullback. That's happened. Now you've got a bull flag. So if this breaks out higher, you might get another test up here, term upside for Bitcoin, right? Like we talked about right here, short-term upside. But if the ES1 rolls over and you see downside, I'm looking for a pullback in the market. Understand these ideas. You have to use multiple charts together, and it's called confluence, right? Multiple strategies and ideas that you take from multiple charts, and you put them together, and you have a higher success rate when you use a lot of different ideas from different charts in the market. You change the game completely. You have to create an edge. Just like you go to Vegas. Vegas always wins because they have an edge. That's all we're trying to do. We're not predicting, we're creating an edge that over time will make you a ton of money. Taking the ideas like I talked about off of multiple charts, Bitcoin dominance, obviously ES1, putting them together will make you a very successful trader. I can show you how to do this. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.